Hi there, in this video I've shown you how you can change the address of your Shopify store in some pretty easy steps, okay? So follow these steps step by step and watch the video till the end to change the name of your Shopify store, the physical location as well as the phone number of your own Shopify store, okay? Okay, so to change the legal address of your business is really easy on Shopify, okay? You just have to go to settings option over here, okay? Then go to general settings, this address which is visible on your invoices and everything. Yeah, and see, then scroll right here, see legal name of company, phone and address. Here is your address, okay? It's like the physical address of your company, okay? It's not like a shipping address or anything, like see here, this address will appear on your invoices. You can edit the address used to calculate the shipping rates in your shipping settings, okay? It's not the address used to calculate the shipping rates, okay? Right, this is your primary business address, okay? So here you can change the country, city, apartment address and everything, phone numbers from here, okay? See general settings, basically you can change the general settings of your page, okay? Like the currency, the standards and formats, the store addresses and store details, names and your email IDs, okay? So from here you can change your address, okay? I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.